Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300 Special Edition. This is the beautiful lime and black livery. This bike is just 2,357 well cared for miles. Near showroom condition, beautiful 2014, save thousands over the price of new at just $44.99. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true with this beautiful 2014 Ninja 300. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.